Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0563, refers to an unexpected voltage in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, power source circuit. The PCM is essential as it manages various vehicle functions, including engine operation and transmission. This unexpected voltage indicates a problem that can affect the vehicle's performance and reliability. It is critical to address this issue because it can lead to engine stalling or poor fuel economy. The DTC may show as confirmed, pending, or freeze frame, depending on when the fault was detected. Proper troubleshooting is required to identify the source of the voltage irregularity so that necessary repairs can be performed. The DTC P0563 signifies an unexpected voltage condition affecting the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. This component resides in the engine compartment and plays a crucial role in the vehicle's functionality by relaying information between multiple systems for optimal performance. It relies on stable voltage inputs to function correctly. A malfunction could cause erratic engine behavior or even prevent the vehicle from starting. It's important to assess the entire power source circuit for potential faults. Deemed a critical element for engine management, any issues related to the PCM can severely hinder vehicle operation. Several possible causes can lead to DTC P0563. Loose connections or corroded terminals can create fluctuating voltage, which the PCM detects as an issue. A faulty PCM could itself be the source of the unexpected voltage, leading to a necessity for replacement or repair. Shorted wires, especially in the Powertrain Control Module's power source circuit, could create a direct electrical fault. A malfunctioning PCM main relay, which controls power to the fuel injectors, is another suspect that may need replacement. Lastly, external electrical interference can disrupt the normal operation of the power source circuit, leading to this signal. Thorough investigations of each potential cause are essential for accurate diagnosis. DTC P0563 may manifest through multiple symptoms. Drivers might notice engine stalling unexpectedly while driving, which can be dangerous. Poor fuel efficiency is often reported due to an unstable performance by the PCM controlling the fuel supply. Starting the vehicle may become problematic, with the engine failing to turn over or starting sluggishly. Additionally, the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, serving as a visual cue for potential issues. Erratic engine behavior like misfiring or fluctuating RPMs is also common and indicates the need for immediate diagnostics. It's crucial to address these symptoms promptly to ensure the vehicle runs smoothly. The first step involves verifying the problem by switching the vehicle to the on mode. Once in this mode, DTCs can be cleared using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, which resets the vehicle's error memory. Following this, the vehicle must be switched to the off or lock mode and left for 10 seconds. This wait time ensures that any temporary faults can be dissipated from the system. Afterward, switch back to the on mode and check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again using the HDS. If DTC P0563 still appears confirmed, then the failure is duplicated and requires further attention in the next step. In Step 2, the focus shifts to determining the potential failure area. Start by turning the vehicle to the off mode. Next, utilizing the HDS, jump the SCS line. The SCS, or Security Connector Short Line, is included in the vehicle's diagnostic connectors to ensure safety during manual testing. After establishing this connection, disconnect PCM connector A, specifically the 51P connector, to isolate the module from the system. Measure the voltage between test points 1 and 2, designated as the PCM connector A number 3 and the body ground. If there is battery voltage, it indicates that the fault lies elsewhere. If no voltage is detected, further investigation into the circuitry is required. Step 3 demands checking for any shorted wires within the power source circuit. Start by removing the PCM main relay 1 from the underhood fuse and relay box. This relay is responsible for sending power to the fuel injectors and needs to be inspected to ensure it is functioning correctly. Once removed, check for continuity between the specified test points, PCM connector A number 3 and the body ground, while maintaining the vehicle in the off mode. Continuity suggests a short in the FI main RLYCL wire between the PCM and the PGM FI main relay, calling for immediate repair. If continuity is absent, then the wire is deemed to be okay, and further testing should proceed to step 4. In this troubleshooting step, it's time to test the functionality of the PGM FI main relay. As this relay directly impacts fuel delivery, knowing if it functions properly is critical. If the relay is found to be operational, next, ensure the PCM is running the latest software version. Updating the PCM can often resolve underlying issues. After making these adjustments, recheck using the HDS to see if DTC P0563 persists. If the DTC is cleared following the software update, the troubleshooting process comes to a close. Conversely, if the DTC remains after substituting in a known good PCM, then replacing the original PCM becomes necessary. Step 5 emphasizes a shorted wire check to ensure there's no electrical fault interfering with the system's performance. Start by removing the PGM FI main relay 1 from its position to allow for testing. Measure voltage between the designated test points, which are PCM connector A, number 5, and the body ground, all while keeping the vehicle in the off mode and the relay disconnected. If battery voltage is detected at this point, immediate attention is needed to repair any shorts to power in the connection leading back to the PCM. If no voltage is observed, the FI main RL wire is presumed to be intact, enabling a move to the next troubleshooting step. The final step entails testing the PGM FI main relay 1 once again to ensure proper functionality. If the relay is confirmed to be working correctly, it is imperative to verify that the PCM is also using the latest software updates. This often resolves any lingering issues causing the DTC. As always, recheck the system for DTC P0563 following any updates or substitutions. If the error no longer presents itself after these improvements, the troubleshooting tasks can be considered complete. However, if the code is still active and functionality persists, it necessitates the replacement of the original PCM to fully address the malfunction. After repairs or replacements, thorough verification of the vehicle systems is essential to ensure all components are functioning properly. Start by clearing any stored error codes using the HDS. Following this, conduct a test drive to evaluate the vehicle's performance under real-world conditions. During the test, monitor for any symptoms that were previously present, such as stalling or fluctuating RPMs. If the vehicle operates correctly without triggering DTC P0563 again, it indicates successful repairs. This verification step is crucial to ensure the reliability and safety of the vehicle, confirming all systems are aligned and functional. Employing preventive maintenance measures is key to minimizing the occurrence of DTC P0563 in the future. Regular checks on the vehicle's systems help detect developing issues before they escalate. It's essential to inspect wiring and connections on a routine basis, as these are common failure points that could lead to voltage complications. Keeping the software in the PCM up to date can resolve unforeseen bugs or glitches in system performance. Additionally, routinely testing battery voltage ensures it remains at optimal levels during vehicle operation. Finally, maintaining functional relays is vital, as they are integral to the overall electrical system working cohesively. By following these guidelines, the longevity and reliability of the vehicle can be greatly enhanced. In conclusion, DTC P0563 reveals a significant voltage problem affecting the PCM, a vital element for vehicle management. Addressing this DTC requires a comprehensive understanding of the power source circuit and the components involved. Adhering to the structured troubleshooting steps is essential in isolating the source of the problem, from verifying potential causes to testing critical relays. Regular preventive maintenance should not be overlooked, as it can significantly decrease the likelihood of such issues arising in the first place. Ensuring a proactive approach through routine checks and updates can dramatically improve the reliability and efficiency of your Honda Fit. By understanding and addressing DTC P0563, vehicle performance remains optimal, ensuring safety and satisfaction on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.